In our conversations with the industry, we realized there was a need for Siemens to build a platform where we can bring in like-minded companies, members of body polity, for policymakers, industry and academia all together to deliberate on issues which are very important and strategic in nature for the country. And while doing this, we realized that we need to build this platform for discussions and deliberations, and that was thus how this whole Siemens Executive Forum was born. 3 years back, we did the first executive forum looking at the topic of Made in India as a brand. Not just as a destination in India, but what necessary steps needs to be taken in the areas of automotive industry, for the aerospace and defense industry, for example. And that deliberation led to the second executive forum, which was around issues of skill. The issues of skill, a topic which is very personally very close to my heart, addresses the social issue of employment, but it also addresses what the industry needs to ensure that the growth story of the industry doesn't get derailed. And this year, we are addressing a very important topic, a topic of manufacturing competitiveness. While addressing the manufacturing competitiveness of India, we are looking at it from essentially 3 topics. The first topic is a topic of policy. What are those various policy changes, policy directions that we need to take as a country to address issues, for example, like IP protection? And when we're talking about protecting intellectual property, we are talking about how do we make it friendly for people across the world to come in and invest in India, and Indian companies fostering more and more IP-centric products for its own domestic and the global market. We are looking at policy to address issues of infrastructure, policy to address issues of financing, and policies that will impact the whole inclusion of manufacturing across the whole body polity of India and bring in jobs for multitudes of millions across the country. Another area of importance where we will discuss and deliberate is again something which is very close to my heart, which is around the skills for manufacturing. Skills for manufacturing that will allow the manufacturing companies to get industry-ready skill sets, but also allow the millions of Indians to find gainful employment. Looking at productivity, looking at efficiency, looking at effectivity. How do we reach those skills across the country as diverse and as big as in India, and how industry can collaborate with the policymakers, with academia in building and fostering this whole skill set. And the next topic we are looking at is a topic of technology. We have known how technology has transformed business for companies at the higher echelons of the pyramid. But when you look down, is the same thing happening for example, small and micro enterprises? How do we address that gap between business transformation at the top end and therefore the impact of their profitability and their reputation and the quality to that what is required at the SMEs in the country? How do we bring in best practices? How do we do the right kind of trickling down of technology and use technology as a way to transform businesses for companies across those millions of enterprises across the country? With this, we would like to believe that there will be a very healthy conversation, a very healthy debate, and most importantly, give us inclinations of issues that we should take up and execute for India to become a competitive manufacturing powerhouse. It gives me immense pleasure to invite you at the 3rd Siemens Executive Forum to be held on 31st of October in New Delhi at Taj Mahal Hotel. I'm very happy on behalf of Siemens to be able to invite you for this event. Thank you very much. See you there.